Okay, they may give you a graph and then ask you to write the system of linear inequalities from it, and it's really not so bad. What we're going to do is think about y equals mx plus b and fill out what we can see. So let's start off with this blue dashed line. When we see that it's dashed, we know that it's either less than or greater than, and it's not inclusive of the line. So the slope of this one looks like from one point to the next is rise 1, run 1 right. So we've got a slope of 1, and it's crossing the y-axis at 0. So I've got y, and then the box is where I'm going to put the symbol in a second when I decide what it is, 1x plus b. So 1x, we don't write the 1 down, and then if the b is 0, I won't write that down either. So I've got y and then some symbol of x. Okay, so if you look at it, it's below it, so I'm thinking that it's going to be less than, but let's test a number. Now, you can't test 0, 0 because it's going through it, but you can test a number like 1, negative 1 into this equation here. So, negative 1 compared to 1. Let's put the x's and the y's with what we have here. Negative 1 is less than 1, so it is going to be y is less than x. Okay, now let's come over here to this red one. I don't have a slope, it's a horizontal line. I'm not rising, I'm just running, so the slope is 0. And I'm crossing the y-axis at negative 2. So that's going to be y, some box, and then 0x minus 2. Well, we don't write that 0x down, so y, some box, negative 2. Since it's above it, I think we're going to probably have greater than. I can test 0, 0 on this one, since it doesn't go through it. So 0 compared to negative 2. 0 is greater than a negative number, so I'm going to have greater than and equal to, greater than or equal to, because it is a solid line. So this equation right here will be y is greater than or equal to negative 2. So the entire system of inequalities would be right here.